My people, Nigeria no dey enough again for some people. Another traveler don come show himself. In fact, this one come dey confess all the things wey he don go through based on this traveling. And according to the man, he say he don plan himself say he dey go Libya. My people, by road oh, no be flight, no be anything, road. And this experience wey this man get, I dey sure say for him next life to come, he go prefer to sit down for Nigeria. Into say e take am 14 days before he even reach where he dey go. And he to say for the road, my people, he say, in fact, I don't even know how I even want to describe am. 14 days, no water, no food. Say he even reach level where he dey beg, they dey beg ladies, say abeg peace, make we drink, abeg peace. And no be joke o. Na so the girls go dey peace, they go dey drink the peace. He say even reach level where he reach level where woman dey for him period. The woman dey in period, he come beg and say abeg peace because water no dey. Na so the woman peace, the peace even mix with blood. Omo, my people, plenty yama. Na so the guy, he say he no get option, he drink that thing like that. He start dey select the blood from abeg many wahala. Say make I bring her come on side. For una wey dey plan to travel, ngwanu make we join this man listen to his story.
I don almost die for desert. I don't die for desert.
So wait, now from which part of Nigeria you come up from?
I come up from Benin.
From Benin. So now from Benin, oh, now road you take use go Libya.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I died. Not say I died completely. Now God, now He saved me. Now He make me still alive till today. I stayed there for 14 days without water, without food.
14 days without water, without food.
Without food. Water finish. Everything finish. Now there I know say for desert, not in the rotten for desert. Guys, begin to beg them, say, man, make the peace for us. They go say never reach where they want peace. One girl peace, she did on mercy, she peace. I drink them, I have to remove the blood. Because why? That was the only source I can live. Yes, if you not to.
Hey! Even before this man mentioned Benin, in fact, I don't already dey suspect am because Benin people dey get mind. Na only Benin man fit do this kind of thing. I no go understand am. I know them. I don't live with them. I know wetin they dey capable of. Chai! Hey. Jesus is Lord. Urine mixed with blood. Omo, na special cocktail be that o. My brother, you have tasted, in fact, you have tasted of all the waters. Don't be that way they talk say taste of the waters and see this. But my question now be say, I no just understand. Wait, why be say the guys now come they ask the ladies where they peace? I mean, men no they get peace. Why you no peace your own peace drinker? If the matter don't come worse, you even agree drink blood. Menstruation. Omo, this traveling. Wetin this traveling don't they do people for this life? I still never understand. Now the secret I still they try find. Why you no just stay for your country, my brother? I don't say Nigeria bad, but at least nobody don't pursue you now. We still there. No, they tell you say we know they hungry to travel. You for just day. My people traveling now, it don't become even past juju. The way everybody eye don't open, say travel. Now nobody even care the consequences. Nobody even want to think of where they go. Some people say they don't even get where they go stay. Some people say they don't even get like this one now. Now shortcut. You no go plan yourself, gather money, say you dey travel, you dey find shortcut. Hey, even if you no wan stay Nigeria, no, my people, I dey try to understand this guy, but they understand, they know they come. Even if you no wan stay Nigeria, at least find another means to travel. Abi they do wetin they call that thing, water, through water. Abi you still no get money for that one, because if flight too expensive, my brother, you for relax, save enough money. Omo, I fear who no fear Benin people. If you no fear Benin people, in fact, now me even they fear you. Those people, they don't be human beings. Chai! 14 days. You can't dey drink peace. Peace even get blood inside, you still drink her like that. If you ask me, better see, it better make person just die for Nigeria. May they give you better burial than for you to go and die for one place where you, in fact, the kind things wey go even chop your body, we no even know am. Why una just decide to risk una life? Now una dey talk say, thank God say no die, thank God say no die. Abeg, who send am? Na God send am message. Una go just decide some kind decisions. Wait tomorrow now, you go come be like say na una village people don cause am. No know say na you yourself. Anyway, sha, make I follow them to thank God say you no die. Thank God say you no die, my brother. And I just dey hope say next time you no go try. Maybe I know, hi, Chineke. The way some kind things like this they vex me. Eh? God save you say you no talk this thing for my front because the kind slap wey I for don give you, you go get sense by force. Abeg, for una wey dey plan to try. Hey, I don't know how many times I go talk this matter. If you dey plan to travel, plan your money. Plan your money because my people, most of the times, the things where they make people travel, no be one serious thing. No be say they don't get one job or something. Na just ojuko koro. They hear say their friend, their friend don't make am. Sometimes say they don't even make am. They go just they send on a picture so that una eye go open. Nothing special they happen for there. Nothing special. Una go just kill una self for nothing for this life. I dey talk this thing every day. Una go kill una self for nothing. By the time you find out, no, una just see am now. E don reach, abi. Ungwanu, see as still look. See as you still look. And make we give am. See, even if you give this one year, my people, waiting no be for you, no be for you. I dey tell una this thing every time. You don't know whether na for this Nigeria you go make am, you go carry yourself, they go, you go they change God's plan for your life. Una dey shock me, oh. Una dey shock me bad. Ha! My people, now the gist be this serious one. In fact, this one I still never recover. I'll never recover. In fact, after this one, I still need to go think once again so that I go there very well. Very important. I beg, wait till you guys tell this guy now. Start a drop for that side because me now mumu I just dey fit call am nah mumu. And if you never subscribe, how you want to get matters like this? You go just the hear am for people mouth. Leave it live, very important. And make sure say you share this video because Benin people they must see their brother. Very important. Stay tuned for our next story.